Well, my new electric bike came, and if what they've told me is true, it actually folds up and goes into this box, and I don't have to put anything together much to speak of. I can just open the box and take out the bike, and it does need to be charged. There, give you a little perspective on the box and the chair there. So we'll have to take it apart and see how it comes out. Okay, so this is how it comes. These are my saddlebags that I got with the bike, and because I used a coupon code, I didn't have to pay extra for them. Which is about a $50 value. Okay, so now you can see how the bike is folded up, at least inside its crate. It's got its little seat, and it looks like the tandem rack is covered, but they put it together so that it wouldn't, appears, it would not get damaged in any way, and FedEx shipped it and it came pretty clean. So let's see if I can get it out and get some of the stuff off of it and see how it looks. Well, I literally tipped the box sideways and pulled the bike out, and the bike comes all folded up with its pretty packing wrap. So now I guess I have to get the packing wrap off, and then I should be able to unfold it into a real bicycle. We'll have to see how this goes. There's one part that they have on here that goes on the handlebar that I wasn't aware of, so we'll have to figure out how that goes on, because I read the instructions and it didn't say. And a few minutes later, this is what it looks like. Once you get all the packing off, and by all the packing, I mean that can full. But it is nice and shiny. It doesn't appear to have any scratches or like it's brand new or something. Go figure. Now, it's got to be charged up.